Hi everybody, this is my tutorial for anyflip. Anyflip is a flipbook creator, and all you need is to make sure that you have whatever it is that you want to create a flipbook of in PDF format on your computer somewhere already. So when you log in, when you create an account, it takes you to right to creating your first book. It's pretty user-friendly. If I had created other books, they would be listed down below. I had before, but I deleted them just for the tutorial. You can add one book at a time, or you can do several books at once. I'm going to add a new book. You have the option here to choose whether you want your book to be presented in Flash or HTML5, and honestly, you can change that after you've uploaded the PDF if you like the way one or the other looks. The basic difference is the coding and how things are presented. I personally think, although it takes a little bit more energy, more time to load, I think that Flash is a little bit smoother looking. HTML5 doesn't have the coding to be able to present things in as animated a format, if that makes any sense to you. Honestly, it really doesn't matter, and like I said, you can change it. So what we're going to do is you're going to fill out these fields on the left here. I'm just going to create test and test as a description. Keywords, you can enter things like your class, French 3, blah blah blah. Category, I always just choose education. I think that's under enrichment. Okay. Now you can allow your students to download the PDF. If you are creating the PDF flipbook to present to your students, like what I'm doing is I'm going to upload an answer key for my students. The allowance to download would make your flipbook pointless. So I am, you can click that or not. I choose not to. So then you're going to go to the quick step of uploading your flipbook. I'm going to head and let's click French 3, I think is what I said. You're going to open it and it's going to start to upload. Okay, so my PDF has been uploaded and now my flipbook is being put together. While it's loading, you can see that you can still change any of this info on the left hand side. You can delete the keywords or add new ones. Keywords are basically just for people that are searching on anyflip if you want to make yours public. If we go over here to template, we can change the background that our flipbook is featured on, and that's something that your students might find interesting to be able to customize. I mean, it really just depends. They can create a table of contents. They can leave bookmarks in places. Now, what I might have my students do, that would be more of a useful application of anyflip, is to have them create little books about, whatever the content is, whatever the topic is. And again, we want to make sure that we're using this to create something meaningful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the full screen version. This is what your students will see. And you can't hear it, but there is a sound just of flipping of a page, which is kind of cute and goes along with the whole book thing. So there you have it. I'm going to X out of that, and that's basically it. I'm going to save and close. And once you save and close, then you can use any of these buttons down here to edit the book, to download the book, to print the book, to share the book, or to get rid of the book. So it's really, like I said, user-friendly, foolproof. From this page, from the My Flips page, you can go to your home page, which will post all of your books, and you have this QR code here that you can use to share your homepage. If you want to share your books with your students instead of sharing each individual book, you can just share your homepage. Either way. So pretty simple, foolproof, and if you decide to give anyflip a try, please make sure that you fill out the experience log for the other teachers so that they can see how you've used it and whether it will be worth their while. All right, thanks for watching.